on the game clock. Yan po natitira 18 seconds.
Yes, two Habar and Naron on the floor.
The inbound goes to Regala. Tres. And the Nuggets move up 85 to 84. 15 seconds remaining in the ball game. And Yulo Regala looks happy, to say the least. Will this. 48 seconds remaining. Habar. Regala. Sidestep. Drops it. Naron.
Reyes picks it up. Shot clock at 12. Regala long. The Kit Kat winning break stars Yulo Regala this time. They were down by 4, and he set up a long three-point shot, followed it through all the way, and that...
Close. Pinasok lang sa paligid. Regala, Victorino. Back to Yulo Regala. Nandiyan si Jay Magas sa harap niya. Given a screen by Victorino. He goes around the block. Taking that shot and hitting it! Napakahirap na tira ni Yulo Regala, but still it's 2 points for the Cagayan de Oro Nuggets. They're playing for... Ito yung ikot ni Yulo Regala. Shot clock was down to about 2 here. Isang double team na yung ginawa ni Giovanni Pineda. Yulo Regala is open. Yes! He hits the 3. At baba na naman sa 5 ang lamang ng Pasig Blue Pirates. 6-point lead para sa Pasig Blue Pirates. Yulo Regala comes closer. Ipit na tira na naman. What is this, Danny Francisco? Hindi natin alam, pero alam ni Yulo Regala yan. The first time he did it, there wasn't a foul. Basket just went in, but this time, he fished for that foul. Nakuha niya yung basket and a chance for a 3-point play. Si Yulo Regala, binubuhay itong Cagayan de Oro Nuggets. And Miko Halili, who was on the baseline at the time, just had his mouth open in awe. Just a 4-point lead by the Pasig Blue Pirates and a chance for Yulo Regala to cut it down. Take shot din sa ilalim na basket. Ito si Reyes, or rather Bravo is on him. Yulo Regala, nakawala, drop pass to Victorino. Cagayan is threatening just a 1-point lead by Pasig. And Noel Bravo has to call this timeout with 45.6 seconds remaining. At babalik tayo sa ating TV stations for this break. Panoorin natin itong play na ito before we turn you over. Pabalik sa 6 man lamang, Danny. They're not gonna waste any time. They've got to hit a 3-point basket and Yulo Regala he hits the 3. It's a 3-point lead. Sa gilid, no room for him na ipit ni Billy Reyes. The lead pass to Arreño. And off of the bola, Alvarado, open pansamantala. Throws it to Malabanan. Ball taken away by Yulo Regala. Billy Reyes now back to Yulo. And he takes a hurry 3-pointer. Misses that. Nakuha naman niya yung rebound. And a follow-up. Thanks! Sabi siya, nakikiramdam na yung mga tao rito eh. This is a suffocating press being issued out by the Surigao Miners. Nahihirapan magbaba ng bola itong saucer dyan. And Miko Santos pulls that away from him. There's the lead off pass. Regala for the layup. 18-15 is the score. The lead of the South Surgeon Marlins down to just... And that prompted B-Boy Rabanes to call a timeout. This is a 30-second timeout just to break that... To set this up. Ilang seconds lang natitira. 32 dito sa first quarter. Regala makes his move inside. Drop pass. Rodriguez. Yes! 52%. And the lead pass. Yulo Regala. And we thought he wasn't gonna hit that.
Great control by Yulo Regala. Nakita mo yun. At maganda kasi yung pasa. It was an outlet pass ahead of the man. And that forced Yulo Regala to really sprint and get that ball. But it was a tight...
Billy Reyes kicks it out. Regala hits it.
Well, Surigao sniping from the outside.
Still stays at 60 all. Jape Javier getting that rebound on the defensive end. And Manny Victorino on the front court. 3 Marlins are in there. Jareño kicks it out. Yulo Regala spots and it! Amazing!
13 points for Yulo Regala. That was a big 3-point shot, managing to give Surigao a 3-point lead.
Yes,